Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a certified orientation and mobility specialist. And today for my tip of the day, I'm going to be talking about how to add high contrast tape around a light switch to make it more visible. Let's get to it. So I know this tip that I'm going to be sharing with you today is not for everybody. I know not everyone wants to add some high contrast tape around a light switch, but I have found this to be helpful, especially for seniors with low vision who are struggling maybe with some memory issues. Adding some high contrast tape around a light switch that just kind of blends into the wall can be a good option to make it just a little bit easier to find that light switch. Okay, so now I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on how to do this. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I figured I'd give you a little demonstration here. And when choosing a color tape, there's just so many different options out there, so you really want to pick what's best for you or for the person you're taping the light switch for. There's yellow, there's orange, there's blue, there's red. It also kind of depends on what color the wall is. But because tape is so cheap, it's worth trying out different kinds just to see what works best. So here I have yellow and black striped tape, and I'm going to put it around this light switch here. But please bear with me, this isn't going to be perfect, but I just want to give you an example of what this can look like. So let's do it. So I'm putting one on the left side of the light switch. Grab another piece of tape, putting it on the top. Now another piece of tape. So if I were doing this for real, I'd definitely be a little more careful on how I'm doing this, but just for the video's sake, I'm just giving you an example here. So that's just a brief example of what it can look like adding some high contrast tape around a light switch. This doesn't work for everybody. I know some people don't want to have something looking like this on their wall, but it is an option for you. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this tip of the day video was helpful for you. And if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel here and click that little bell icon. That way you'll be alerted when new videos come out. And I hope you have a wonderful day.